In today's video, we're going to go ahead and replace the bumper impact beam located right behind your front bumper. I'm going to go ahead and remove our upper radiator cover here. We're going to use our trim tool. I'm going to pop up the center of these buttons, pop out the clips, and do this right across the whole front. With all the buttons removed, go ahead and lift that up and set it aside. Across the top of your grille is going to be 3 of these plastic push button clips. Go ahead and use your trim tool, pop these out. Across the bottom of the grille, you can reach in and gently pull out towards you. And do this across the bottom. When you release this here, you're popping the bottom tabs out of the top of the bumper. Underneath, we're going to go ahead and use our trim tool, and we're going to pop out this plastic clip right here. Set that aside. On the bottom here, we're going to go ahead and remove these bolts here. These are 1/2 inch. I'm going to use our 10mm socket and remove these screws. Go ahead and slide the splash shield out and sort of set it aside. It's our 1/2 inch socket. Remove this screw. Using our 10mm socket, remove these screws. And go ahead and remove that splash shield, set it aside. On the back side here, we're going to go ahead and twist the bulb, pop that out, and go ahead and repeat for the other side. I'm going to use our flathead screwdriver right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn that. Work this out. On the top right here, there's normally a Phillips head screw. Ours is missing, but you want to go ahead and use your Phillips head screwdriver, remove that screw. Then we're going to go ahead and repeat for the passenger side. Across the top of your bumper, I'm going to locate these 3 plastic trim buttons. I'm going to pop these out. Now on this side here, on the driver's side, you want to go ahead and grab the edge of the bumper. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it away from our fender. So grab that, give it a little tug, and what you're doing is you're disconnecting the bumper from the bumper bracket right here. You're going to work your way around. You're going to do the same for the passenger side. Once those clips are released, go ahead and grab the bumper, pull it straight forward and away from the vehicle. Let's go ahead and remove our foam impact pad here. I'm going to gently wiggle this out. It's pulling out from the impact beam in the back. Do the same for the passenger side. Using our 14mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen these 3 bolts. We're going to disconnect this harness from our impact beam. We're going to use our trim tool. It's going to go underneath here and pop these up and out. And on the inside right here, we want to go ahead and disconnect our fog light harness. Use our pliers, and we can just pinch that there. Just work that out. Now I'm putting some body weight up against the bumper, holding it to the vehicle. Now installing your impact beam, you have a stud here sticking out. It's going to go in this small port here, and there's one on the driver's side as well. So you can simply line this up, line up the other side, hang it in place. Let's go ahead and get our bolts started. I'm going to put these 3 in here, install them on the passenger side, and then we'll tighten them down. Let's go ahead and tighten down our bolts. Repeat for the driver's side. Install the harness here for the fog light bulb. Put our harness clips in. Install our impact pad. We're going to install the foam nubs here right into the bumper. Going to line that up, give it a couple taps. Do the same on the other side. You're going to bring your bumper up. Line up our bumper with the headlight, working this around. We want to get this lined up into our fender, into our bumper mount here, and just press it in, lock it into place. You're going to work your way around, making sure that the bumper is hanging on our supports here. Work our way around to the passenger side and lock this into place. Install your plastic push clips here. Go ahead and lock those in. With our fender liner lined up here inside of our bumper, we're going to install our plastic push pins. Let's go ahead and do the same on the other side. You're going to take your wiring harness, line it up, snap it onto that bulb. Let's go ahead and install our passenger side splash shield here. And get this screw just spun up hand tight to hold that. Let's go ahead and line this up here. Going to get our middle screw started here. snug down the bigger bolts first. We were missing one of our clips here, so we're going to replace it. So installing our grille, there's a series of these tabs on the bottom that need to lock into the lower portion of our bumper. Let's go ahead and line this up. Line that up and go ahead. Push our grill back. Once the grill is locked in, let's go ahead across the top. I'm going to install the 3 retaining buttons. And install our upper radiator cover here. Drop that into place. We're just going to go ahead and install our plastic buttons or push pins across the top here. I'm just going to continue to do this until we're all done with these buttons.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.